Millions of Muslims worldwide fast from sunrise to sunset during the holy month of Ramadan. However, apart from the spiritual significance, most are unaware of the benefits of fasting during Ramadan. It requires immense self-control to remain without food and water for roughly 12 to 14 hours a day. Muslim health professionals suggest the ritual has numerous physiological, spiritual, psychological, and scientific benefits. Additionally, it allows one to empathize with poor and needy people worldwide. What is Ramadan? Ramadan is the ninth and holiest month in the Islamic calendar. Muslims fast, abstain from pleasures, and pray during Ramadan to draw closer to God. It's also a time for families to get together and enjoy the blessings of Allah. Muslims start fasting the following day after the crescent moon appears in the sky, signaling the beginning of a new month. As a result, Ramadan does not begin in many countries until religious leaders declare that they have personally seen the crescent moon. The prolonged fasting ends with the worldwide celebration of Eid al-Fitr. Fasting in Ramadan Hadith. Abu Huraira narrated that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Worship Allah and worship none along with him. Offer the 5 prescribed compulsory prayers perfectly. Pay the compulsory zakat and fast the month of Ramadan." More than 1 billion Muslims globally practice a strict ritual of moral abstinence and fasting during the month of Ramadan. The tradition of fasting dates back more than 1,400 years and started with the formation of Islam. Here are numerous health benefits of fasting in Ramadan. Number 1. Protection from obesity and chronic diseases. Fasting throughout Ramadan may assist in preventing obesity and other chronic diseases such as diabetes. Ramadan fasting requires abstaining from consuming food and water between sunrise and sunset. Hence, it enhances the levels of proteins, providing insulin resistance. It also offers protection against the hazards of a fat and sugar-rich diet. Number 2. Lowering cholesterol and improving blood sugar level. As Ramadan fasting stimulates the lipid profile, it lowers blood cholesterol. Consequently, it prevents heart attacks, strokes, and other disorders. Also, if one maintains a healthy diet after Ramadan, individuals will retain the newly reduced cholesterol level. Number 3. Improved digestive system. Observing Ramadan and fasting positively impacts one's lifestyle and digestive system. The human body naturally detoxifies after a month of flushing out the toxins in the body. Further, it balances the heat generation and acidity levels in the human stomach. Here are some scientific benefits of fasting in Ramadan. 1. Reduces stress. To begin fasting, Muslims get up early for prayers, eat before sunrise, sleep later, and eat substantial meals after dusk to replenish their energy and fluid stores. Due to this, eating habits, sleep length, and constructive sleep patterns change. Fasting throughout the holy month of Ramadan improves mental health by lowering depression, anxiety, and stress levels. 2. Prevents cancer. Much research has been released in the last few years, suggesting that Ramadan fasting can lower health risk factors. It can also reverse the symptoms of severe health illnesses, such as cancer. According to the research, this could be attributed to reduced glucose synthesis in the blood, balanced nutritional intake, and increased generation of tumor-killing cells. 3. Assists with Alzheimer's. There are few therapeutic choices for those who develop Alzheimer's, which causes ever-worsening cognitive and behavioral issues. Fasting is a therapy option that is rapidly gaining traction outside of the domain of pharmaceuticals and treatments. Ramadan fasting, commonly promoted as a weight loss approach, has been demonstrated in research to significantly relieve Alzheimer's symptoms and decline in slow cognitive development in rats. Here are the psychological benefits of fasting during Ramadan. 1. Enhances willpower. Fasting during Ramadan requires mental fortitude and the willingness to forego immediate enjoyment to accomplish long-term goals. Fasting for a whole month induces a sense of happiness, focus, and self-control. These attributes can be utilized in various sects of life. 2. Increases alertness. Individuals who fast appear to have higher levels of vigilance and attention. Food is converted into glucose by the human body, and too much of it causes sluggishness and tiredness. Fasting helps the body regulate glucose levels, reducing sluggishness and increasing alertness. 3. Uplifts the mood. Muslims experience an enhanced sense of achievement, reward, pride, and control after hours of fasting. Fasting can boost self-esteem and a sense of accomplishment. At the same time, fasting and the pleasure felt after completing a challenging activity serve as a powerful feel-good stimulant on the brain. How to improve your health during Ramadan. 1. Have a healthy iftar. Along with the natural benefits of Ramadan, it is essential that you embrace healthy practices yourself. Breaking your fast with 3 dates and water gives your body an instant energy and hydration boost ahead of your main meal. Light soup is a great choice to start your main iftar meal, as it helps you hydrate. Take it easy with the amount of heavy, creamy, and fried foods, as well as salty and sugary dishes. Consider opting for fish and leaner cuts of meat, whole grain or brown rice and pasta. And remember to include your greens. Taking your time while eating and monitoring portion control will also help aid digestion and prevent weight gain. 2. Make suhoor wholesome. Like breakfast, suhoor should be the most important meal of your day. Balance your suhoor with nutrient-rich foods like oatmeal, cheese, labna, fruits, and vegetables. Certain foods with a lower glycemic index, low GI, including oats, quinoa, multigrain and whole grain bread, hummus, and yogurt, are good options as they release energy slowly throughout the day. Remember to drink plenty of water, milk, laban, and fresh juices rather than tea and coffee, as they will keep you hydrated during fasting hours. 3. Stay hydrated. A little dehydration is natural, and this can lead to slight headaches and a lack of concentration. However, you can help keep yourself hydrated by drinking plenty of fluids during the iftar suhoor hours. Opt to drink water frequently or take light tea without milk or sugar. You can also add lemon slices or fresh mint to help detox and aid digestion. If you regularly have coffee or fizzy drinks, try to curb your intake, as these are diuretics that dehydrate the body. 4. Exercise moderately. Fasting and dehydration can naturally cause you to feel lethargic and make your Ramadan days sedentary. However, with proper fluid intake, you should also try to exercise in moderate amounts. Remaining active helps reduce fatigue, gives your body the strength to keep going, and is an excellent opportunity to lose weight if needed. However, exercise during fasting hours can be dehydrating and dangerous. It's best to exercise just before suhoor or a few hours after iftar to maximize your workouts. 5. Pick up healthy habits and drop the unhealthy ones. Ramadan is also a chance for you to ditch addictions like smoking or sugar. With a bit of self-control, you can continue to restrain your addictions during and after fasting hours as well. Ramadan is also a great time to start and maintain healthy habits like eating more greens, drinking more water, and exercising regularly. Fasting in Ramadan during pregnancy. Pregnant women are excluded from fasting as per Islamic law. Fasting in Ramadan while pregnant can cause serious pregnancy issues, including dramatically altering blood sugar levels. However, one can still fast on their own will, but is neither recommended by Islam nor health experts. Further, one can make up for their fast by donating fidya for missed fasts during Ramadan.